Permit me to look this rough because I'm not gonna come on here all glammed after all I've been through in this China. I just want to come on here and rant. Also, take your pen and paper because you're going to be learning a lot from this video in terms of what you should know when coming to China, the quality of hairs you can get, and all of those stuff. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Kristyanah. I'm a Nigerian-based creator and entrepreneur. Currently, I'm in China. I've been going around Asian countries to get high quality of hairs for my business and for those who join me virtually if they're interested in getting hairs while I'm here. And this is my second country. I was in Philippines in October. This is November 18th and I am live in China. I've been here for the past 18 days and I've seen so much. I mean, in terms of stress, hair quality, different things. I mean, technology, new ideas, new innovation. I mean, China is a very big place and I love what China is doing. I love it. I love China, but I don't know, I don't want to go into more details, but I love China. Without further ado, guys, let's get straight into the video. So like I said, I've been here in China since the 31st of October and today is the 18th day. I'm just here to tell you what I've learned, what I've seen, what you should know when you're coming down to this country as someone coming from maybe Africa or anywhere around the world. Number one thing is that when you're coming here, note that there are no ATMs at the airport. So your cash is your best bet. You want to have cash at hand. I made that mistake. Ladies and gentlemen, I spent 4 hours at the airport trying to sort my transport outside the airport. I mean, from the airport down to the hotel. 4 good hours because I didn't have enough cash to take cab. My card was not working. There was no ATM at the airport. I tried to connect to the internet. It wasn't working. I mean, I've been through so much from day one. So if you're coming here, you want to come with cash, you want to come in with active card. I mean, download some apps like Didi. Didi is what you're going to use to move around. You can download what other app? Alipay for payments. I'm not going to beat around the bush by giving you 3-4 apps you have to download. Just download these two at first, Alipay and also Didi. These two will get you out of the airport, and also, I mean, it will get you out of the airport down to the hotel. When you get to the hotel, you can figure out every other thing. But those two apps, you want to download it even before you get to. And yeah, the third one, Shadow Rocket. That's a VPN because socials don't work. I mean, the normal social media apps that we use outside of China, like the Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp and the likes, they don't work here. You need VPN for you to stay active. So download Shadow Rocket. It's a paid VPN and it works. That being said, let's dive into the world of hair because I've been to about 4 states since I arrived. I've been to Zhezhou, I'm currently in Guangzhou, I've been to Qingdao, I've been to Sushang, I've been to Foshan. Actually, that's the 5th one and it's for furniture. So that aside, out of these 4 countries, I have so many things to say. I mean, I've checked out different factories. There are a lot of factories here in China that are not on Instagram, and they have great quality of hair. This experience has actually opened my eyes to so much concerning China because the notion outside China is that what you can get here are bad quality wigs, terribly made bundles and the likes, but it is not like that. On this trip, I've seen one wig that costs about $1,900 one wig, and this trip has made me realize that there is no cheap hairs anywhere. If you see any cheap hair, it is not a good one. If the hair is good, it is going to be expensive because, as a matter of fact, the price list I've been seeing here for good hairs is even way pricier than that of the Philippines, that we all think they have the most pricey bundles. So yeah, if you want good quality of hairs, China is gonna give you. If you want the bad ones, I mean, you're gonna get that as well. Let's take that out of the way. Like I said earlier, I've been to 4 different states here, taking flights, I fast train from one city to the other, digging deep into the world of hair. I mean, I dug deep till I was seeing crude oil. Yes, I was seeing raw, unprocessed bodies of hair. I'll be putting pictures and videos here for you to see. If you have not joined this virtual tour, you want to be on the next country with me, the link to join is going to be in the description box of this video. And yes, this tour, this China, it has drained me, like drained my energy. As you can see, the energy I was using to communicate with you guys in Philippines is not what I'm using right now. China is so big and so far apart. And also, if you're thinking of coming to China to come and do the trip all by yourself, thinking you're going to figure it all out, it's not going to work. I'm about to tell you now that it's a dead end. Don't do it. When you come here on your own, make sure that you look for a guide who can take you all around, because China just have they have high-rise buildings, they have skyscrapers, buildings that have no wall signage. You cannot know what is going on in the building until someone take you in there to tell you that, okay, this is the factory. So you don't want to go about being frustrated like I was, because I couldn't even communicate with these people. I use Google Translator. Some people couldn't read in these states that I went to. I mean, it's so much. And tonight I'll be dropping the vendors vote for China. If you're interested in that, you want to be my DM for the votes. And I will see you guys. I have to do a part 2 for this video because I have so much to say, and at the same time I have so many things to do right now. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. I just hope that you've learned 1 or 2 things about what you should expect when coming to China. Things are not cheap. I mean, hair inclusive, it is not cheap. If you want the cheap ones, you're going to see that. But if you want good quality hairs, you have to come with your money. You have to come correct. Yes. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.